Affinity, you can use reference images for the AI generation. Let's check that out. I've got two test cases. So I want to create additional cartoon characters for a zebra family, and I want to create a mockup. So let's take this image that I want to use as a reference for a character design. So what I want to have is a cartoon character of a zebra foal playing. And I'm going to use the reference from the document like this. And here you've got the choice as a character, content, or style reference, which is nice. So you can determine that. I want to use it as a character reference. And now let's generate that. But maybe I'm going to limit that further. So let's give it some colors and let's generate. I've also set it to generate as vector in this case. So here we've got the result. You can already see that it doesn't like the coloring that much. It wants to give a realistic rendering as the result. And here you can also see one that I have done before. So the other image already existed and gave me white and black striped zebras. Now let's take a look at the product mockup. I'm going to select it again, and this time, of course, an image. And let's again give it this as a reference. And this time it's going to be the content reference. So let's generate this. And here we've got the result, which is not quite looking like the packaging or like this design or like toothpaste at all. So I'm trying something different, and I'm going to use this as a style reference. Let's check that out as well and generate that. So here we've got toothpaste, but not using this design. I have just recently tested CorelDRAW, which also has AI support, and it's pretty good at rendering mockups. So here's how CorelDRAW did this, and you see this is actually a nice result.